Hey guys, welcome to Ken's How To's and Reviews. So today I have a little bit of an interesting project. This is a 2011 Toyota Highlander, and the inside door latch stopped opening the door, but the lock continues to still work, and the outside door handle still continues to open the door. So it was kind of a interesting predicament. Could it be the fuse? But you can, I had a pretty good idea. You can tell it once you pull this handle, there's really no resistance anymore. So I figured it was isolated to this. So I'll just quickly show you how to take this door panel off to figure out what's going on. So this little piece was in here. So you just kind of pop this off with a flathead screwdriver. And you're gonna have a Phillips head bolt there. And then there is a piece of paneling here that you pop off from the bottom with a flathead screwdriver. Just kind of wedge it in there, pop it off. And then you have 1, 2, 3, 4 bolts to remove. And this thing's very easy to remove. So roll your window down, wedge your finger in there, and just take it off. So I pretty much saw immediately what was wrong, and the door latch cable had severed the little ball that goes on the end. So I'll give you a little glimpse of what that looked like. So this was attached to here and fit into the door handle assembly. So when you do the door latch, this little ball fit inside this thing. So when you move the handle, it pulls this back and forth, allowing your door latch to open. So I am gonna have to replace this. So I'm gonna go to AutoZone, get a $30 cable, roughly $30. The tricky part is this guy goes inside the door through here and eventually connects to this housing right here. So what I'll have to do is unscrew these bolts, push the housing out through this opening, replace the cable, stick it back in, and then reattach this to the latch. So I'll make that in another video and post it, but this is how you get the door off to kind of figure out what's going on with your assembly in there. So yeah, you guys have a good day. See you.